I feel like we're a little bit late to the game. Everyone has this Chom Chom, and we just got it recently, and I have no idea how I lived without it. We have a Frenchie. He has white hair. I am always covered in hair. Our furniture is covered in hair. I've tried vacuums, different lint rollers, and nothing works like this. This is really awesome because it's not suctioning it up. You have this piece, and you're just doing a constant back and forth motion. So basically, this rubber is then pushing it underneath into the little compartment here. So I'm going to go ahead and you'll see. So we have found going up and down like this and then going from side to side. Look at that. Look at that. Seconds that is all gone. And you just open it up here and look at all that in here. Very easy to remove. You just dump this out. I often just dump it over my ledge there, but you saw how filthy this was. Took 2 seconds. Yes, I'll probably do another quick little pat. There's like 5, 6 little hairs left after all of that. This thing is amazing.